Hi everyone, my name is Tanapon Lilasthapornkit. I'm from Footpath.ai. We are a startup company based in Sydney, Australia. So today, I'm proud to present you our work at Footpath.ai. I'm a CTO of Footpath.ai. I want to show you how we can use sidewalk view imageries to help with mappings. So Footpath.ai is a map platform. We use AI and computer visions to extract information from sidewalk view imageries for mappings, sidewalk networks, and also relevant data from that. We are building a large-scale global data set containing high-resolution 360 degrees sidewalk images that enable detailed urban furniture, such as where the garbage bins are, where the accessible ramps on the sidewalks are, all the infrastructures that the city council would be interested, and also pedestrians would be interested as well. And we can also build 3D model reconstructions from this data set as a 3D point cloud as well. So far, we collect data from 10 cities across the globe. Many of them are in Asia Pacific, including Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane from Australia, Bangkok from Thailand, Seoul from Korea, Manila and Legazpi from the Philippines, and other cities such as London, Santiago, and San Francisco. So we're still collecting more data. Our workflow begins with data collection. So we work with many contractors to help us collect data with our 360 degrees cameras and GPS trackers, such as mobile phones. So it could be a small camera like GoPro with panoramic features that can capture 360 degrees, or it can be like a 6 camera that you can see on the backpack there. So, or it can be mounted on robots that can be on the sidewalk as well. So, and this is the GPS data that we collect, and Footpath.ai also enables communities to contribute to the neighborhood walkability by capturing and sharing sidewalk view imageries while also getting paid. So last month, we recruit high school students in regional New South Wales who help us collect their neighborhood. For example, Joshua here, he walked around 30 kilometers in Maitland, New South Wales, in regional New South Wales. So he was collects that data within, I think, a week that he collects. So we plan to expand our recruitment to work eligible youth throughout the college and high schools and universities, jobs around the world as well. So that is data collection. So from this process, we have images and we have GPS location for those. Now, I think the more exciting part for us, so on each images, we use our pre-trained AI models to identify and estimate what the objects are and their distances. So the image on the right is the RGB imageries. In the middle, it's a classified with different object classes with different colors. And on the left is the monocular depth estimation model. Sorry. So it's pretty much estimate how far each objects are. Since all the images are geotagged with GPS data, we can systematically estimate the location of every object that you can see in the video. So that is the machine learning part. Now we have all the data. Now we can create GIS data from the machine learning models that I just showed. So these are the objects that pick up by our models. So these are the combinations of semantic segmentation model and depth estimation models. So this map has trees, bicycle parking racks, garbage bins, benches, representing in point geometry, as you can see from different circles with different colors. And also sidewalk and crosswalks are also represented in pink and green colored respectively. This data can be useful for city council, for infrastructure management and maintenance, and also for general users, such as cyclists who are looking for a place to park their bike in the city. So with this data, you can know beforehand where you can park. We are working on expanding our model to capture post box, phone booths, and other relevant information that could be useful for street crawler. So now we have our GIS data ready. Another example for our use case is a shading map. So as we heard from the keynotes yesterday, and also just a talk just a moment ago from Katz, that the heat related death is one of the public health concerns, and heat wave is one of Australia's deadliest environmental disasters. So shading map can identify which part of the city has more or less canopy in the city, or we can also identify which bus stop is more susceptible to heat wave. So with this data, I think we can help planning better. So with all this data, I just want to show you, we also want to contribute back to the communities. So the data that we also collect, we also want to upload it on OSMs, so other people can make use out of them as well. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you just a quick demo of how we can upload this on JOSM quickly. So first we just import our file, in this example, the bench from into JOSM, and then we can assign the presets that JOSM has. In this case is under preset, facility, and bench. But then we can apply the presets into the data point that pick up by the models. Then we can upload them into JOSM with just a click on upload button, write some comments, and yep. Yeah, and that's pretty much a very simple process that simplify the whole workflow. So our work here is not to undermine the work of the mapping communities, but I think this just a showcase of what AI tool can be useful, and the humans can help us validate whether these data really, these objects are really there. But this tool just help you get started with. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. So we can repeat the same process. That was benches. We can do it for rubbish bins and also the parking, cycling racks as well. And so that's that. And in this map, it's just a showcase that that snapshot from OSM show that the benches, bicycle parking racks, and rubbish bins can be found on OSM. So it's very simplified process. And just to tell you a little bit about ourselves, so our team, so Footpath AI was founded in 2021 by my PhD supervisor, Dr. Miyaz Sabri, and myself. Miyaz is an associate professor in the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering at UNSW. He has extensive experience in academia and managing different consulting projects with Australian governments and also different industry partners. And a little bit more about me. Besides working for Footpath.ai, I am also a postdoc researcher at University of New South Wales. My research has been mainly around active transport, mainly walking and cycling models. Yeah, and at Footpath.ai, we want to make a more walkable place with a better maps data. Please let me know if you have any questions, or if you're interested, I'm happy to have a chat afterward, and you can contact me using the email or follow us on LinkedIn as well. Thank you very much.